Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Today I'll be showing you how I got this look courtesy of Super V Wigs. So here's the packaging. It's the typical wig box, and the wig came packaged pretty nicely. It even came with a second headband strap, so it's two altogether. I wanted to show you guys just the texture and the luster of this hair. It was super shiny and soft and very bouncy as well. As you can see, it's just the T part. You guys have seen me do many T parts on my channel by now. It's kind of what I'm doing right now, just to kind of have something to throw on and go. This wig is pre-plucked in the parting area, but as you can see, the edges need work. So we will be working on that today with just making it look as realistic as possible, using as little effort as possible. I just wanted to emphasize how bouncy the hair is and how nice the haircut is as well. Here you see me just applying the wig. I haven't applied any of my powder or anything yet. I just want to see where I want it to sit on my actual hairline to make it look most realistic. And unfortunately, you guys, I lost the clip where I was applying my wig, but I just used my Ebin hairspray and I applied it, let it sit, blow dried it, and tied like a scarf around it to make sure it sat flat. So I'll just be emphasizing how I make the hairline look realistic with baby hair. So the first thing you want to do is make sure all the hair is pulled back. You want it out of your way so that you don't mistakenly use any of the hair that you don't want in your baby hairs. Now I'm just applying some mousse to loosen up where that hairspray got onto the hairline so that it's not as hard and it's more malleable for me to make the baby hair. So what I like to do is just take my edge comb and in a C formation, if that makes sense, pull out hair that we're going to use to make the baby hair. So you see how that kind of looks like a C, or it's curved. I find that that's the most realistic way to do baby hair instead of straight down. So now I'm just going to clean all of the baby hair, or all of the hair rather, that is between where I want my baby hair and where I want my hairline. And then take your hot comb and make sure that there's a line of demarcation or separation. And then we're going to take our razor blade and just cut multiple times so that none of the hair is all the same length. This will help you when you're molding your baby hair. So again, for this part, I typically use mousse to originally lay the baby hair. And the reason for that is because I don't want to go straight in with gel, because I know I'm going to be moving the baby hair around a lot. And gel tends to get nasty and gunky with my makeup. You can of course do this with gel without your makeup, but I just find it's easier to do it with mousse. Now, I'm sorry for the bad angle on this one. I'm going to explain again a little bit better with the next side, because I'm doing a close-up on that side, so you guys should be able to understand a little better. So as you can see, we're completely cleaning the portion between where the baby hair will go and where your hairline is going to go. So it looks like you're creating a bald spot, but when you do form the baby hair, it'll fix that and it'll just look more realistic. So again, just take that razor and multiple times you're going to cut the hairs on different levels. I know it's hard to understand, but if you see me do it, you understand what I'm doing. And just go ahead and apply your mousse and just swoop the baby hair to your liking. Now I do go in a couple of times with my razor with my tweezer because I want to make sure the baby hair looks as realistic as possible and it's not too thick. But just use your best judgment with that because you don't want to completely pluck out all of the hair you're using for your baby hair. And don't mind the part that's lifting. I'm going to go ahead and fix that a little bit later with more hairspray when I tie it up for the final look. But basically I just flat iron all of the hair, make sure everything is laying down and there are no lumps and bumps. And also I'm trying to flat iron out the part that has all of the hairspray in it so that it's not too hard and it's not sticking up. And that is basically the finished look of how I apply my wigs fairly easily. Again, I'm sorry about losing that one clip. So this is the finished look. This is the finished hairline. I hope you guys liked this quick video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.